Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Honeybee's Educational Channel. Today again Harsheen is with me and we are going to learn about prepositions and we are going to play a game again. Are you all ready to play a game with us? Ask Harsheen.
Are you all ready?
Yes, are you all ready? No, I know you all are ready. So let's get started. Today we are going to do a drawing challenge for learning prepositions. Are you ready, Harsheen?
Yes.
I will ask Harsheen to draw something related to prepositions and she'll ask me. Firstly, I would like to tell you all what is preposition. Preposition are the words that shows the link between few words with nouns and pronouns. Means it tells us that how nouns or pronouns are related with other words in a sentence. For example, I just show you, I'm going to draw a tree and let me tell you. So yes, on the tree I can see few
Apples.
apples. You're right, Harsheen. Thank you. So, where are the apples?
On the tree.
On the tree. So, Harsheen has told me that apples are on the tree. So, on means what? On means this is a preposition because apples. Apples is a noun, right? And how apples are related to the tree, right? So apples are related to the tree in a way that apples are on the tree, right? You're absolutely correct, my darling. Now I'm going to give a challenge to her. She will draw something and tell us a new preposition. Let's see what is it. Come on, Harsheen. Oh, she's drawing a house.
And
Okay, so what is this? This is a ball. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right, Harsheen?
yes.
So where is the ball? Can you all see? If I think children were playing here, no? Children were playing here and one child just kicked the ball here. So now the ball is,
Above the house.
yes, it's above the house, but we can also say because this is moving over the house. Like house is here, but there is a gap. So we can say over also.
Yes.
Okay, because something which is not directly in touch with anything, like if I have to say the ball is over the house, so the relationship between the ball and the house is with the word over. Is with the word
Over.
because ball is over the house. It moved from there, right? So that is why here we will use the preposition
Over.
and here when apples were on the tree, there we used on. So I'll just show you one more word or a sentence where I will show you one more thing. So where is the cup? Excuse me for my drawing. Where is the cup? Harsheen?
It's on the table.
On the table, absolutely correct. So the cup is on the table. If I can see something lying here also, can you tell me?
A ball. Under.
Ball is under the table. And this cup is on the table. So this is the way we are showing a link between nouns with the other words in a sentence. Okay, so this is the definition of preposition. Okay, there are three types of preposition. Now Harsheen will tell what are the three types of preposition, Harsheen?
Place, movement, and time.
Place, the words that tell us about the place of any noun or pronoun, movement and
Time.
time. Okay, so these are the 3 types of prepositions. Good job. You remember? Yeah. So can you tell me any sentence which will tell us about the place?
The Taj Mahal is in the Agra.
Yes, the Taj Mahal is in the Agra. So where is the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is in the Agra. So Taj Mahal is somewhere related to Agra in such a way that Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. So that is a place, Agra. So there we are using the preposition in. Okay, now tell me movement. Any example of movement? When something is moving? Wherever.
The girl is against the wall. Actually, I am against the board.
You are against the board, but you are not moving, my dear. If I am against the wall, that means I am standing there, right? But I am asking you about the movement.
Let me think. The girl is walking with her dog.
Girl is walking with the dog, but that is showing a relationship between a girl and a dog. Okay, they are together. But I am talking about movement of something. If I have to say this, that my uncle is coming into the room.
Oh.
My uncle is walking into the room. कोई आ रहा है, somebody is coming, yeah? So if I have to say the boy jumped
In the box.
no
In
into
the
the box. When something is moving inside, there we use into, and that shows the movement that something is going. If I have to say this thing, that the ball is moving into the tub, right? So ball is moving
I
into
also
the
thought
tub.
a
So this is showing the movement. So that's why I have used the preposition into.
I also thought the preposition
Tell me.
of movement.
Yes, tell me.
The cat jumped in the room from the window.
From the window. Okay, into the room from the window. So cat jumped into the room. Into the room from the. If I have to make a window here, so from here she jumped into the room. So into is also showing the movement here of whom? Of the cat. Now tell me time.
Can I write?
Yes, you can write. She will come at 10:30 a.m. Okay, so this is the preposition telling us time. Good. Now draw it. Now draw it. I will tell you which preposition you have used. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Are you all ready to see what is she drawing? We will tell about the preposition. Okay, girl. The girl is doing balle balle. Isn't it? Okay. There is one more child. A boy. Okay.
Can you tell?
The boy is standing near to the girl.
No.
I think this is right. Am I right now?
They are the same height, but this is not the
But how can we say that this is preposition then? I can say
Wait,
the
wait,
link
wait.
between these two in such a way that they are
Wait,
standing near to each other.
No. The boy is standing behind the girl.
Behind the girl, okay. So behind, yes, of
That's
course we
why
can use behind.
That
We can use near also, right? Right? Am I right?
That's why
She is also.
I was saying.
And one more thing I would like to show you. If there is one more child, now tell me, where is this boy?
Between.
Between, absolutely correct. So this boy is between these two children. Yes, so between is also preposition. Near is also preposition. Behind is also preposition. If one bird is flying here above their head, now tell me, the bird is flying
above their head.
and now
Mm,
far above.
far away.
Yeah, far away in the sky. I have made clouds here.
Okay.
So now the
She
bird is
is-
flying in the sky, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The ball is near the girl.
Now tell me.
I also want to draw.
Now tell me.
Tree is behind the
The tree is behind the,
The
boy.
child.
Let's move to next box. Here, let's draw.
Now-
Or let us just rub it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So draw again. Something quickly.
Mm,
It is interesting. You can also try this. Your child will also enjoy. You will also enjoy with your child. This is a good drawing challenge which the whole family can do, and children can learn about prepositions. I think she has drawn a bed, table,
Yes.
a table, yes. Okay, so what are you going to put near the table or on the table, under the table? Where? Near the table.
Ah.
Okay. A chair. Chair is near the table. Am I right? Okay, now tell me, where am I standing?
But what is it called? I forgot. Again.
Yes, I'm standing against the wall. And now, where am I standing?
Behind.
Now
Sorry.
tell me, where am I standing?
In front.
In front of. So this is also preposition. Now, near, beside.
Beside.
Right. Okay, where is the duster? Where is the duster?
Between.
Between us. Very good. So keep learning like this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos, and keep playing the games and learn with it. And try to engage your children also in such a way that you also enjoy, you also spend quality time with your children, and your children will love it. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.